Today I'm going to make coconut wreath cookies. First, I'm going to add one 14-ounce bag of sweetened shredded coconut flakes into a large bowl. Next, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Then add some green food coloring and mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a lined cookie sheet. I take a scoop of the coconut cookie mixture and I'm going to roll it into a bowl and then flatten it out and place it on the cookie sheet and then make a hole in the center to make the wreath shape. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the cookie dough and then bake the cookies at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. Once the cookies are done baking and they cooled, I melted some green chocolate. I'm just going to add some swirls onto the wreaths. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some green sugar sprinkles on top and then let these set up for about 20 minutes before adding them to a tray. Here's an up-close look of the coconut wreath cookies.